out of the way. Up, up, up. Well, nowhere. Damn, I hate it when... Ah, see it. Up, up, up. Oh. Yes, got it. Now, this is the positive, this is the negative. We just have to solder it onto there. Ooh. Is that difficult? Mwah. Don't think so. First, we're gonna mark it a bit better. So, this one. Well, sure that's visible. Then guys, take the connector out. Nicely can already up like this, and we're gonna untape it. Come on over. Well, good tape. Man, is dit now? Yes. Ah, this is the one that's not in use. Okay, there I got my two shrinking tubes. Well guys, this is gonna be easy as dough. Hop, this one. Okay, and on this one also. I'm gonna heat it up with my gun. Okay. Up. Right. That's one. Okay. That's two. 3, we're going to do the same. Careful where you aim with your gun. Yes, see, it's easy. Oh, yes. Actually, guys, there is solder in here, but it's not solder which I like to use. It's cheap. So I always fold it and then take it out and throw it away. And now I have two nice shrinking tubes. One here. So something like that. Otherwise, before you know, it's on the ground. First, we're gonna wet the sponge. SpongeBob. Guys, oh, my sponge. SpongeBob. Soldering is really easy, guys. There are just a few basics you need to remember. First, hey, up. You need good solder with flux in it. Flux, that's the smoking stuff. Yep. First, always clean the tip. And I like to pre-solder it. Wipe it off, then heat it up, so, and then let it drop in. Maybe you have to put it a bit more sometimes. Yes. Be sure it's still shiny. See? And it's all the way in. With this, I'm going to do the same. See? Clean the tip. Hop. Tip is cleaned. And don't shake as much as I do. Still shining. And guys, now watch. It's all the way soldered. That's good. Then we're gonna solder the red one onto there. That's also easy. First, what are we gonna do? Wait a minute. Look at it. Look at this old stuff. Yes. Okay. I put a blob onto it. Tiny drop, not too much, but and then hold it. It's not really supersonic wonderful, but yeah, those wires a little short. And okay, then you're gonna heat this up first, clean the tip. See, nice and shiny all the way through. Wow, old mechanic. Yeah, I'm already soldering for 30 years or more. Huh? Okay, this out of the way. First, we're gonna shrink these tubes. Yeah, shrink tubes, huh? Always be very careful where you aim. Yes. Okay. Now, we're gonna take this a bit for strength. To be sure they don't stick through the tape, you never know. Sometimes you have just one piece, you barely see it and sticking through. But now, Then, up. We're gonna this. So, this, yes. I left that one out for now, because suppose it pokes exactly into my shrinking tube, which I shrunk enough, but you never know. Kijk, and now, kijk, nice. Then, so. I think. Now, guys. Yes. Now let's see. We have this. Okay. Where does this go? Where did this go? Something like this. This there. And then. Just had it so nice. This, yes. Okay. Okay, guys, this one. Okay. That's wonderful on this beamer. You have a lot of space. Then let's see, it goes in like this. Click. This we're gonna put out of the way for now. Then yes, guys. Ta-da. All the wires, yes. So. Organic. Yes. Normally I would take this off, but you can't look in here anywhere, so minute over here. Yeah, we can tie wrap it forever, but enough is enough. Okay, one more. Sorry. Yes. Okay, guys. Yes. Now, we're going to put it on ignition. Let's see if it explodes.